This is the best ticker to trade when it comes to tomorrow. With that said, my friends, ticker NRDA is already trending and is going absolutely insane on some positive news. But can this ticker go up from here on out much more? And at what level should you go ahead and exactly open a position? With that said, in today's video, not only are we going to be discussing the stocks alerts or the this is the best ticker to go ahead and trade tomorrow. Now, in today's video, we're going to be discussing 3 different things about ticker NRDA, which makes it an amazing trading opportunity for tomorrow. We're going to be talking about the why, we're going to be talking about the what, and I'm going to be telling you guys exactly where to get in and where to get on. Because just because something offers an opportunity for us, it doesn't mean we have to go ahead and buy it at the exact prices that the stock is showcasing right now. So, without further ado, let's get into the breakdown. So first things first, why do we talk about the why first? We talk about the why first, guys, because the why is so essential. Because if the company just announced a massive news, it doesn't matter if the stock is not that good or if the chart doesn't look that good. It's gonna go up, okay? Now, when it comes to NRDA, the company did actually have some massive news regarding their company being awarded a massive patent. So when we go over here, let's read it. It says, Ndra Life Sciences to be granted U.S. patent radio frequency applicator. Now, this is massive, right? Anytime we have a company receive a patent or something like that, right? It's pretty massive news. Hence, why the ticker is already up over a whopping 50% or 40%. It was up 50% earlier, but over a whopping 40%, 43% to be exact. With that said, guys, this is one of those tickers that is extremely volatile. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to get into actually already ranking things out. So we go over here to the news. Let's go to breaking news is good. Stock's volatility is amazing. The company has a market cap of sub $5 million. This is going to be extremely volatile. Again, this is what we want to look for, guys, when it comes to trading opportunity, right? Extreme volatility, partner up with good volume, partner up with amazing news. That's like the recipe for a volatile stock, okay, for us to go ahead and trade. Now, the next thing which we're going to look at is going to be the company's finances. Now, this is where the company starts lacking. Because right now, the company only has about 2 months of cash left on hand, okay? They have about 2 months of cash left on hand. The company has a total cash and cash equivalents of $600K, and every single 3 months, the company's burning through $1.3 million, leaving them with less than 2 months of cash left on hand, 1.5 months to be exact. So the company only has 45 days of cash left on hand. So what do you think they're gonna do? Right? Are they going to go ahead and just watch the stock go up and up? Or are they going to go ahead and dilute and rug pull, come up with an offering or a public offering? Likely come up with an offering. So what you need to do tomorrow is you need to play the stock with a tight stop loss. If you ask me, honestly, don't play it even within, don't play it in the pre-market at all, because they could be announcing a dilution in pre-market. And if you did buy it already, I would sell out my position, because again, the last thing you want is a public offering or a direct offering coming in and destroying all your gains, okay? And then in the market hours, during the market hours where your stop losses will actually work, then you can go ahead and repurchase the stock and play it with a solid stop loss, okay? Now, institutional ownership. When it comes to institutional ownership, the company has a very poor institutional ownership ranking as well, making it not a good choice for us. Okay, so we're going to go over here and we're going to say that as bad as well. Now, let's see what the shorts have been doing when it comes to NRDA. NDRA. My apologies. Short interest up down 8%, past 7 days, short interest up 6%, relatively flat. Okay, so we're going to just go over here and put this as okay. Now, when it comes to the chart, there we go. Now we're at the where. Where did we get in? Where did we get out, Sam? The levels that I would like to be a buyer of this ticker, depending on how it goes, is going to be dependent on what's going to happen next, right? So for me right now, when it comes to the chart, I'll be honest with you guys, it's really hard for me to pick an exact entry, but the way I would play this ticker is I could see it going ahead and testing the $7.50 levels, okay, all the way upwards of, I could see it test $7, and then if it breaks $7, I could see it go over here and test $7.78. So what I would do is I would first allow the stock to actually establish some levels and then go ahead and pick out exactly what I'm going to get in and what I'm going to get out. So right now for me, I actually don't have enough details when it comes to the price action that I'm looking for and how the markets are going to actually perceive this given ticker for me to tell you guys exactly where to get in and exactly where to get out. But I do anticipate another test to the $6 level, so potentially a double top at 6 is possible. It will potentially test $6 again, right? But again, I would wait for middle of the day. I would first allow the markets to select this ticker as the chosen ticker to trade, and then I'll go ahead and pick the lows and then buy them and sell them at the highs, okay? So many people, they always want to be early, right? They want to be early, but the reality is, guys, being a profitable trader is all about being on time, right? The example I always like to say is, when you're waiting for a bus, let's say you're planning on taking a bus somewhere, okay? When you're waiting for a bus, the best outcome is the bus is leaving, you're running after it, and then the bus stops. And it gets you on and you go. Or you see the bus coming, you run to the stop, and then you get on the bus and you go. That's the best outcome. The worst outcome is you go to the bus stop, you don't know if the bus just left, you don't know if the bus is coming, you don't know when the bus is gonna come. That's the worst outcome. And that's the majority of the way that a lot of traders trade penny stocks, is that they try to buy low in order to anticipate a pump. But the reality is, my friends, sometimes you could be early to a move that would never come. Sometimes you're early to a move that's never happening. Sometimes you're early for the bus that's never gonna come. Now you're stuck. You're stuck forever. So what I'm telling you guys is just wait. Be patient. Wait for the markets to first establish as the given ticker and then take trades on it. Always take easy trades. Always take the easiest trades. And right now, this trade is a little messy, considering how low cash they have, considering how volatile the stock is. First, let the stock run a little bit, and then jump in, okay? Now listen, I have something to share with you guys, which I'm very proud of. We started a 10K account challenge about a couple months ago in April. Month of April, we had no red days. Month of May, we only had 3 red days. And month of June, we only had 1 red day. We had an 89% win rate, and we made an absolute killing in the portfolio. Okay? Now, overall, my complete win rate of all time is 82%. Okay? Like if you go over here 500 trades later, it's 82 trades, 82%. But the last 3 months, we've been absolutely on fire. So shout out to everyone that participated. And listen, we're starting another small account challenge, okay? It's going to be $1,000 account challenge. You heard that right, $1,000 micro account challenge, okay? Now, you can have more than $1,000. You can have $5,000. You can have $10,000. All you do, you just buy 5 times our size. You just buy 10 times our size, because we're also going to be telling you exactly at what prices we're buying. If you guys are interested in joining and participating, check out the community. The community comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Gives you access to day trade alerts, swing alerts, stock small account challenges, lessons, one-on-one access. We already have over 400 members coming back month after month after month. Why? Because people are making money. People are making money. Nobody keeps coming back unless they're making money. Wilson says, hi, Sam. Maybe pause it and read some of these, man. I mean, we got a lot of revenue reviews. If you go on the website, you can see how much money I've made my whole total trading career. It's all audited. It's all there. If you like to see testimonials, people have said a lot of great things about the community. Give it a shot. Give it a shot. The link is in the comment section and description. We've been, literally today, 3.5K for Kevin Davidson, 1,400 for Rob. Small gains, but again, solid gains. And $70 there. Okay, so give it a shot. Anyways, I wish you guys the best of luck. Oh, one more thing. Right now, the next 10 members that joined, we did add 10 more spots to the 50% discounted version, which haven't sold out yet. So check them out. There's still spots available if you guys are interested for a 50% discount as well. Give it a shot. Anyways, don't quit, don't give up, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. That's the reality of the matter. I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading of their life. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Talk Academy.